Hey there. So today we're talking about cleaning up for 2023. And what are we cleaning up? What are we getting what are we getting into shape? Well, up here, our mind. We're cleaning the clutter out of there. And why? Well, a couple of quotes for you. Hans Hoffman said the ability to simplify means to eliminate the unnecessary so that the necessary may speak. So if we get rid of the junk that isn't going to help us in 2023, we'll have a much clearer, cleaner, crisper 2023. It's like cleaning up the garage at the beginning of the year kind of thing, only different. If your mind isn't clouded by unnecessary things, then this is the best season of your life. That was said by Wu Men. And Leo Babauta said, be the curator of your life. Slowly cut things out until you're left only with what you love, with what's necessary, with what makes you happy. So we want to get closure on the past. We want to get the past out of there. We want to be focusing on the future. How do we do that? Well, it's all about noticing. Noticing what's coming into your head. Noticing what you're thinking about. That's the key. When I notice that I'm thinking about something that doesn't do me any good, I immediately start to think about what I should be thinking about. Oh, I don't want to think about that. I want to think about this. And deliberately saying, what do I want to think about, gets me thinking about that. And so if I get those old thoughts out of there and I learn to hear, I'm thinking about that. I don't want to think about that. I want to think about this. Over time, I make the shift where I'm no longer thinking about that and I'm automatically thinking about where I want to be. It's hard, and I've talked a lot about choosing your thoughts, and it's something I come back to a lot because I think it's the single most powerful thing we can do. We can choose our thoughts. But it's one thing to consciously choose a new thought. It's another thing to consciously choose a new thought to push an old thought out of the way. And that's where we need to be going. So as we start this 2023 and we want to make that fresh start, it starts here. It starts between the ears as we're thinking. We want to be able to say, no, I don't want to think about that this year. That's old. That's in the past. I've closed that out. I'm moving on. I'm going to think about this. And as long as you begin to catch yourself and change it deliberately, it will eventually become a habit. You won't even need to think about it. You won't even need to try to catch yourself. You'll do it automatically. Hope this helps. Have a great, great, great day.